Hey guys, I wanted to quickly show you just how easy it is to set up a table in Microsoft Excel. So all we got to do is we take our data that we want. We just highlight over it. We go up to Insert and we click on Table. And we want to make sure my table as headers is checked. Click OK, and there is our table. And now we can do stuff like separate our data by specific things that we want to show. And so we have our filters all set by selecting the table. And another great thing that we can do as well is we can create our table to only show specific data. So if we go back to home and click on table, we'll select, we'll create a formula that will select only specific data and cells that we want to show. So we'll select $, we'll do H, $, 1, colon, $, and we'll do J, $, and we'll go with something like 13. And so now that shows us our table. It shows us from H1 to J13. And so that's all you got to do. It's that simple and that easy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.